An object is placed 10 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of image. Now in this question, first of all see what is given. So let us make the diagram. We have a concave mirror like this. So we have a concave mirror. Right? Now they have given a object is placed at 10 centimeter in front of. So let's say object is placed 10 centimeter like this. Now radius of curvature is 15 centimeter. Radius of curvature r is equal to 15 centimeter. That means focal length will be is equal to, so this is r actually negative because of the sign convention. If you assume pole at 0 0, then of course if you go in this direction you will get negative values. So f is equal to r by 2, which gives minus 15 by 2 centimeters. Fine. Now radius of curvature is there. We know that this is our object, so of course this is going to be focus. So we have mirror formula. Using mirror formula, which is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Put the values. So what is the value of u? U is given to be minus 10 centimeters, right? So again sign conventions comes into the picture, which gives us minus 10. So put the values. So this is 1 upon minus 15 by 2. This will be 1 upon v plus 1 upon minus of 10, right? Now 1 upon v is going to be minus 2 by 15, and this will become 1 upon 10. Am I right? Yes. Then take LCM. So say this is 60. This will be minus 8 plus this will be 6. So if I solve further, I can get this will be minus 2 by 60, or else I can write it 30 minus 1 upon 30. So from there I can write v is going to be minus 30 centimeters. Perfect. So if you make the ray diagram also, you can get it from there also. About the size you can project from there. So now it has to pass through the focus, right? And suppose if this ray passes through focus, if goes like this, then it will be parallel to the axis, right? So if this is your object o dash, this is going to be image I dash I, right? So you can clearly see from the ray diagram also, it is justifying our thing. How can we justify? Pretty simply, we can calculate the value of magnification. That is very important parameter. So magnification is equal to minus v upon u. Now what is the value of v, which is minus 30, divide by u. U is equal to minus of 10. So this minus minus is cancelled out. This will be minus 3. Look this magnification very carefully. It gives a negative value which says inverted image. Did you observe in ray diagram? This image is inverted, right? Correct. Do you observe that this is greater than, m is greater than 1? If that would be equal to 1, same size less than 1, diminished. Greater than 1 means enlarged, right? Enlarged, correct? And if you see the options, we have the options 15 centimeters, virtual and erect. So it is not erect, it is neither virtual, wrong. Of course, this is a real image. Rays are actually cutting. We are not doing anything. So this is a real image. So obviously real should be the answer. Minus 15 real inverted, which is wrong because it has to be minus 30. So minus 30 real and inverted. Yes, option number 3 is our choice. Okay.